Hello there traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover the Australian dollar versus US dollar because I think that there is a good opportunity for the downside rotation till the end of the day. And I wrote here some parameters for this idea. Again, this is my view and my trading idea for today. Australian dollar traded upside this morning from the Europe session. And I found basically that buyers started to buy actively from the beginning of the Europe session, which was literally like 6 hours ago. And then we got an initiative, we got a good buying power that came from the previous day high. Now that is all okay, but we lost the momentum around 0.7810. We got some exhaustion patterns there and we got initial sell-off. Now the buyers tried to react. Again, when I'm speaking about the 5-minute time frame, I'll go to the longer time frame a little bit later. So then the buyers tried to rebuy again from 0.7800, let's say, but they actually got just a little move up, and then price went into the stagnation. We took that pivot low with the selling basically overcame the demand there, and now we're basically in the process of consolidation. On top of that, we broke the rising trend line, which was pretty active back from the yesterday US session. This trend line is holding, but then we got this consolidation kind of breakout of that trend line right here. We got that like an hour ago. So idea behind this is that basically you can watch for some downside opportunities with eventual stop loss at 0.7820 and see if this one can find the sellers in the next period for and eventually to test this 0.7785 or to test some longer targets, longer time frame targets, which will be at 0.7730 and this low at 0.7688. So I think that this is a very important level for the Australian dollar. And if the buyers got a very hard time to break this, and I'm seeing this for about 6 hours, we have a very hard time to break. This is that potential. It's a potential good risk reward ratio play, 75 pips to 20 to 75, even up to the 100 pips potential if we will see the sellers will take control. But from the other side, if this level around 0.7815 can hold, then we can still see a good selling power. The scenario for the upside, in case if this will not work, the scenario for upside will be if the price will take that pivot, very important pivot, let's say that scenario, then you can watch for buying on the pullbacks like this and buying for the pullbacks for potential rally towards the 0.7853 and 0.7888. So it's literally like you can try this selling from this zone here, see if we can find the sellers and complete this ABC upside correction. If not, then you can get out of that position, wait for the rally to break this, wait for a pullback, and then try to go along with the targets, with the upside targets here. So literally got the two scenarios here in the play that I'm seeing. Playing this one, which is currently active, is one possibility for you for the short side. In case of the upside breakout, this pivot, watch for a pullback buy for the even further higher prices. So that will be this analysis, and this is the most interesting, speaking of the major currency pairs, and this is the most interesting idea and opportunity that I found today.